Alright, you guys, I got some of that yucca plant. I found another one around, but it had wider leaves on it, and you know, it's still got that needle point. Alright, what I'm going to do is just kind of beat it. I'm just going to beat it. Alright, I'm going to pause it and I'm going to kind of do more of it and I'll come back. Alright, I'm getting, you see how it's starting to strand out like that in individual strands. See, you want to kind of beat it until you get all that pulp off. You know, and you know, drink up my water that I had sitting there, huh? And quit. She's real curious about what's going on. But you see how it's starting to turn into these individual strands? Well, you do that all the way up to here. Alright, and then you can either keep them all separate strands like this, or you can go back and you can braid it. Make like a braided strand. Alright, now this is not a very long one. I didn't get the longest one I can find, but they grow pretty long. But even then, you know, you don't have to use the needle. You can just take a bunch of this and tie it together and make one long rope out of it. But yeah, nature's little sewing kit. You know what I mean? This is Wingnut Radio for Anarchy TV. I'm back out.